have arrived.
At Westford University College, every day begins with opportunity and ambition. Hi, I'm Jianna, and this is my journey at Westford University College. Here, every step I take is towards my future. I start each day reflecting on my goals and the milestone I want to achieve in my career. The CCCU MBA International Program at Westford University College challenges me to think critically and innovate. The resources here are incredible. Whether I'm researching for a project or preparing for my campus placement, I have everything I need. Networking is key. I've met mentors and industry leaders who have helped me shape my career path.
Each goal represents a step closer to where I want to be.
Thanks to Westford University College, I'm not just gaining knowledge, I'm gaining confidence.